Tribes are groups of people connected to one another, connected to an idea. Connector has connected these communities with a tribe event bringing together 10 of Dublin's online groups, face to face at the church.
We are dublinstreets.blogspot.com. I'm Matt Matheson and this is Andrea Horn.
Hi.
Dublin Streets is a street style site based in Dublin. And I guess we kind of started Dublin Streets and built it up around a series of things that we're not really able to do all that well. Photography being one of them, if there's any photographers out there who have seen the site. Journalism and DJ being two of the later, recent things that we're up to. The site initially started, we were doing a bit of traveling and cities that we were going to. We were kind of looking at all the different street style sites that were out there for different places to go, different areas of town we were into, and really realised that there wasn't really anything like that for Dublin, and that there should be. So we started up Dublin Streets, just literally taking pictures of people and things that we liked on the streets of Dublin. It's pretty simple, and that's pretty much the gist of what Dublin Streets is. The site again is dublinstreets.blogspot.com. You'll notice from the comments that we get a lot of tips from people who realize that we can't actually take photos very well. But we're working on it, and we like taking photos a lot, and we really like seeing people who are doing exciting things with their personal style, be it fashionable or not. And yeah, thank you very much. Thanks for having us.